Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing well and learning a lot from my tutorials. Today I have brought a website for you which is related to the AI concept. In this video, I will creating, I'll be sharing a fully functional AI prompt. I'll be creating a fully functional AI prompt marketplace where users can explore, share, upload and download various prompts from the different categories, and I'll also be adding a reward system for the users. The logic behind is like if any prompt from the particular user will get a highest number of engagements like downloadings, he will get paid accordingly. Okay, I'll show you the schematic on this website where I have explained the working of the website so that you will get an idea how it will be accomplished. Okay, and later I will navigate to the every feature and functionalities and pages of this website. So let's move on to the screen. All right, so here is our flow of our website. It's quite simple. We have two number of users for different one is not registered and one is registered. For the non-registered, he can only explore the website. He can't share, can't download, or can't earn on it. Okay, on the other hand, we have registered user. He can explore, download, share. Okay, and his prompt will be tracked by a system. He will get earn money as soon as he reaches the threshold. Okay, we have set some threshold limit, and then he can send the payment request from the from the dashboard, and the request will be received by the admin and he will get processed, and after that a payment will be successfully transferred to the user's account. The payment methods are simply it might be PayPal or crypto or something else. He has to just mention which payment gateway is using or method. Okay, so I will get the deposit. So in this way our website is going to work. Isn't it quite simple and useful for the users who is very interested in the AI prompts? Okay, so I'll now move on to the main website and I will navigate every pages, features and functionality. So let's move on to the website. Let's right click and inspect this page. So it will be turned into the mobile view, and here is our responsive. Okay, it's fully responsive, and you will see here the bottom navigation bar. Okay, so it's a very nice concept to use in the website. Look, it gives you a feel of the mobile device. Okay, so right now I'm using this in the desktop. If you use in the mobile, it's has a very great experience. Okay, while using this, and also these things you can customize from the admin. So I have designed and developed this plugin for this website. Okay, so you can change the icons, the colors and every appearance you will see here. Okay, and that's it. Now let's move on to other pages of this website. So first I will show you some basic pages which are the explore prompts. So it's all about the products, the prompts as a post as a prompts. I'm showcasing these taxonomies. Okay, using the elementor I created these post types and taxonomies. So when I select the different category, it will change. Okay, as you can see. So I will explain everything throughout the tutorial. It's very easy. Okay, so this was the our discover page, and then okay, so here the page for the category. Okay, this is the type of categories. Now I will open a post, or you can say a prompt. Okay, so here first prompt, open this form, and we will have this type of UI. Okay, as you can see here, I have implemented every possible things over here. Okay, like user statistics showing the likes, total downloads, total views, ratings, the model, author detail. Okay, some social links. Okay, here the like button, about of the prompt. This is the prompt, this is the copy section. Okay, now see here the magic. When I copy this prompt, says the copied, and reload this page, you will see here total download as a 7, and also post views as a 17. Okay, and also likes 1. Recently I had like this post. Okay, so everything is properly working, and all are just because of the customized plugins I have developed. Okay, we have to just use the shortcuts over here, and everything will be done by the WordPress itself. Alright, now this was the post template, the elementor custom post template. Now we'll move to the my account page, and there are a lot of features and functionalities than this. So go to my account page, and here is the dashboard. The first you will see here the name, okay, and the text to edit profile, then edit the profile image from here directly. Okay, button to share the prompts, and here is some stats that here total upload, total downloads, total views, total likes. Okay, and here is the my profile. Just neglect the designing part of this the snippet. Okay, you will focus only on to the feature and functionalities, which is the core and the important part of any website. Okay, you can set name, email address, phone number, social links like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. And here you can set I think this is the Twitter. Okay, so I was working on it. Okay, and you can fix this, but don't worry, you can fix this from the plugin. Okay, and here is the my upload, and you will see here a grid of posts. Okay, the author, or the you can say the contributor who is participating into the prompt sharing, or you can say if he wants to share the prompts and wants to earn money, then all the uploads from the different authors will be stored here. Okay, you can just change the pages in the Ajax form. Okay, it's also the customized, and you can also view the post, edit, delete. Okay, the status here you can see it's published, it's published. Okay, and next we have the reward progress. Here you will see here total earnings to $10. Okay, currently, and here download is 18. Now let me explain the concept of it. So here you will see I have written each $5 each time you reach $100. Okay, so as soon as your prompt gets 100 downloads hit, so $5 will be created into your account, and this is the progress bar showcasing the number of downloads. Okay, you can control the number of downloads and this earnings from the admin. Okay, so I will explain this in the next moment. Okay, so this is the or you can say this is the heart of our website. where users can gain a lot of engagements or a lot of registrations on this website, this kind of website. Okay, and here is the withdraw form. Please forget the designing purpose. Okay, you can design this from the plugin itself. Okay, the CSS was missing over there. Okay, all right. Here you can see the earning. Let's say I've added the $10 because my account has 10 and this is 10. Okay, I will set email ID to okay, and I will use here PayPal email ID. Okay, now when you click on this payment, just click on it and you will see here your withdrawal request has been submitted successfully. And the great part is that you will see here your withdrawal request which is pending. Okay, now this pending will be converted to completed as soon as we accept this from the admin. Okay, so that's the our dashboard. All right, now I will first now show you. Okay, so we have just left one page which is share prompt page. Okay, now let's click on it. So here is the submit prompt. You can set the prompt title. Okay, you can let's submit some prompt. Says 4-leg tiger. Okay, the model would be a cloud, not flux 1.0 fast. Okay, from category will be MA. Select the category from here. These are the default categories assigned in our admin. Write a prompt. For now I will tags AI prompt, just give the comma prompt. Okay, and here also we can set the image from here. So let's set the image like this. Okay, now click on submit prompt. Once you submit it, you will see a notification as a text prompt submitted successfully and it is saved as a draft. Okay, now go to my account and under this my uploads, you will see here the status is currently in the draft. It means that as soon as we approve from the admin or will keep it as a publish, it will not publish, it will not show a status as a publish. Okay, so when we approve this post from the admin, so it will show as a published. Okay, also you can edit this prompt. So click on it and you will see you can edit this prompt from this submit form page. Alright, and this is the customized plugin. Okay, which is I have developed by considering this website. Okay, and I have kept the features according to the website. As you can see, and it's perfect working. And this way you can share prompts. You can also delete from here. Okay, so this is the dashboard and everything I have explained here. So I hope you understand this front end. Okay, now let's move on to the dashboard and show you some magics over here. Here what you can see here is you will see user prompts. Go to user prompts and you will see the prompt shared by different users by the Gmail. You can see here, you will see here 4-leg tiger we have recently post. Okay, and it's under draft. You can take review, delete or publish. Okay, from here and in also user rewards. See here we have this user and it got $10 earnings. When we release its earnings, we can set it to 0 or whatever the deduction we have to take. Okay, after that we have these settings. In the setting you can say the download threshold, okay, and also the reward amount. It means the number, as soon as it downloads till this number, the reward will be deposited in the user's balance. Okay, and it's automatic. Under this withdrawal, you will see here I have completed some withdrawals before, and this was over the fresh withdrawal. Okay, you will see email ID and here PayPal email ID, and as soon as I approve his withdrawal request, you will see a notification. Are you sure want to approve the withdrawal request? I will click on OK, and it will say request approved successfully. Okay, and here just refresh this page and go to withdraw, and you will see here the status is completed. Alright, isn't it good? Is it? Okay, so go to settings and you can say the minimum withdrawal amount 10, 100,000, whatever you want. Okay, that's it. Under these settings we have profile image, user post count, and post view count. So we don't have that much of settings to do here. Okay, but we have this bottom navigation as I have shown in the mobile interface. You can set up to 5 items. Just copy and paste the font or some shortcuts over here, it will show automatically. Okay, and the page links over here as I have structured like this. Okay, you can set the icon color, text color, active color, and background color, and you will see here the preview. So this is also a customized plugin designed by me. I will put this, if you want this plugin, then I will put within the website from where you can download for free. Okay, nice. So this was a very long preview of the website, but I had to do because the website has a lot of features and things that I had to introduce to you. Okay, so that's why it took a lot of time. That's why it was so lengthy preview. Alright, so I hope you understand the website workflow and the features and the working and everything. Then I will not waste much more time on this, and let's move to the dashboard and we'll start designing our website from the scratch. Okay, so let's get started.